Okay, so question 11, very typical DSE questions. So part A, you have to show that x plus 3 is a factor. Okay, so the remainder, okay, would be I substitute the negative 3 inside. Okay, so negative 3 cube minus negative 3 square minus x negative 3 plus 12 is equal to 0. Must be equal to 0 because the question asks you to show that. Okay, but if you want to use your calculator to double check, that's okay. So it's equal to 0, so therefore x plus 3 is a factor of gx. Okay, a lot of you forget to write down the conclusion. I don't know why. You just write down the remainder equals to 0 and then full stop. I don't know why. And then you get 1 mark deduction. And then for part B, okay, you have to factorize the gx. Okay, factorize the gx. So I've already asked you to enter the program. So if you do not enter the program, then you can't check your answer. But if you use your calculator, if you enter the program, then you can use the program to double check the answer. Okay, so in chapter 6, I asked you to insert 2 programs. Okay, you can choose any one you like. Okay, the first one is like this. Okay, x cube, if you solve it, if you press all the answer, you will display the answer. Okay, and then another program that I suggest is like this. Okay, is how to do the division. OK， 幫你計翻個 quotient 同埋計翻個 remainder 出嚟啦。OK， 咁以前我讀中學嘅時候咧，我就入呢一條 program 嘅。OK， 入呢一條 program 嘅。咁但係因為咧呢條 program 咧，其實即係大家入咗之後咧，有時發現 DSE 咧用唔着嘅。點解啊？因為咧你發現咧部 calculator 咧出唔到個答案啊。咁個原因就係因為咧佢 long division 咧通常有啲係除唔盡嘅，冇得再 further factorize 嘅。咁如果係咁樣嘅情況之下咧，咁呢個 program 就變咗冇用啦。可能就係因為太多人入嘅關係咧，咁 DSE 其實都明白啦。咁於是咧就唔會再入啦。OK， 唔會再 suggest 呢一個啦，或者你入完可能都計唔到。咁相反嚟講咧，呢個比較好用少少啦。咁呢個我就以前讀中學就冇咁勁嘅，冇咁多呢啲咁樣嘅 program 入嘅。咁但係而家咧有呢個 program 其實就好正啦。咁佢可以幫你計埋個 quotient， 計埋個 remainder。咁所以咧其實你入呢個 program 咧就會更加強勁啦。OK， 咁但係當然亦都一樣隨你喜歡啦。OK，so if I use these 2 programs, I can already get the answer. Okay, so for the first program, so we go back to question 11. If I use the first program, I can get 3 numbers: negative 3, positive 2, positive 2. If I use the second program, okay, if I use the second program, I will get let me see the calculator. The calculator. Okay, the output would be 1, negative 4, positive 4, and then 0. Okay, then I can already get the answer by using these 2 programs. Okay, so the first one, I will know the answer. Actually, the answer, I know nothing, but I know the final answer here would be x plus 3. And then x minus 2, you have 2x plus 2, so I have to take the square here. So I already know the answer. And then if I use the second program, okay, if I use the second program, then here I will know that x plus 3 is, here would be x squared, and then minus 4 x, and then plus 4 and then plus 0, okay, plus 0. This one is the remainder, okay, this one would be the quotient, okay. So if I use the second formula, then I will get this row. If I use the first formula, then I will get this row. OK， 咁啊，點解我會話第二個 program 好啲咧？點解我會話第二個 program 喺而家嘅 DSE 好啲咧？就係因為咧有時咧冇得再繼續計落去啊。OK， 呢度可能計到呢度就停咗啦，喺 DSE 裏面冇得再 further factorize 啊。咁所以咧就如果你係用第一條 formula 嘅話咧，有機會啦 ，OK， 有機會咧你撳到-3，跟住就 math error， 咁跟住就即係你用唔到，因為佢呢個係冇答案嘅，做到呢步就停嘅，咁有機會係咁。咁所以咧第二條 formula 咧就我覺得強勁少少嘅，咁就可以出到中間個 step。咁你話嚇，如果我有得再 further factorize， 咁點算啊？如果我用咗個 program， 我入咗 program 2， 我冇入第一條 program， 我入咗第二條嘅，咁我做完呢步，咁我點樣落去下邊啊？咁其實呢一個嘅 factorization， 我相信係 cross method 或者用 identity， 你乜嘢都做到㗎啦。你部 calculator 內置咗㗎嘛？你部 calculator 可以撳 formula 01。OK， 你可以用個 quadratic equation 去 further factorize 噶嘛，咁所以我就喺度諗緊，如果呢一條你用 formula 撳咗個答案，然後呢一條咧你又可以用個 cross method 又好，你中意用 formula 又好，你中意用 identity 又好，呢個你可以咁樣變落嚟嘅話咧，咁我反而覺得呢個步驟咧係相對地重要啲，咁所以我會 suggest 你入第二條或者兩條都入晒，咁就 perfect 啦。Okay, so I already can get full marks here, but of course, I would suggest you to write back the long division. OK， 咁啊呢啲唔需要 show 俾人睇話我係撳 calculator 撳出嚟㗎啦，咁呢個可以查走佢啦，然後你咧補翻個 long division 喺度。OK， 補翻個 long division 喺度。咁啊，我唔同你做嗰個 long division 啊 ，I just show you the answer。Okay, so the long division will be like this。咁記住啦，做完個 long division 之後咧，就寫翻個答案，或者寫咗個答案先至做 long division 啦。Okay, it's up to you. You just add it back the long division here. And then finally, part C, you have to write down the HCF and LCM. Okay, HCF and LCM of fx and gx. So, usually I will copy the question once. Okay, so fx is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. So I use my calculator, formula 01, so 2, -3, -2, so I will get 2, and then 2 and -1/2, 2 and then -1/2. 咁啊，同樣地啦 ，if I want to factorize, okay, this one, so I have to copy it carefully, would be like this. Okay, of course you can use the cross method. Okay, 咁當然你用 cross method 我係唔會制止你嘅，咁我就用 calculator 撳算啦。And then gx, I can just use the result in part B. Okay, use the result in part B. So here would be x minus 2 square and then x plus 3. Okay, usually I will copy once before I write down the answer. So HCF, okay, here you have x minus 2, you have x minus 2, so it would be x minus 2. And then here you have gx doesn't have this one, fx doesn't have this one, so you already finished. Okay, so this is HCF. And how about LCM? So here would be x minus 2 would be square. Okay, 呢個一次方，呢個二次方攞大啲嗰個啦。OK， 呢個係冇次方啦，呢度有一次方啦。So I take 1 here. I take 1. Okay, so this one would be the answer of part C.